Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the Easy English Practice channel. I'm Sarah, and I'm so glad you've chosen to spend this time with us.
Hi, Sarah. Hello to all our friends. I'm Mark. It's wonderful to see you here, ready to practice and learn together.
Mark, I always enjoy our conversations. How are you feeling as we start today?
I'm feeling thoughtful today, Sarah. Thank you. I've been reflecting on some deep topics.
That's a wonderful state of mind. Reflection can be so meaningful.
I agree. Sarah, what about you? What's your mood like today?
I'm feeling quite cozy and content. It's one of those days that feels comfortable, like a soft blanket.
That's a lovely way to put it. It actually connects well to our topic.
It does, doesn't it? So today we're going to talk about something very special, the meaning of home and belonging.
Oh, that's a beautiful and deep topic. It's more than just a place, isn't it?
Much more. It's a feeling, a memory, a sense of peace. It's perfect for English practice because we can talk about emotions, memories, and hopes.
Absolutely. It uses vocabulary for feelings, the five senses, and both concrete and abstract ideas.
Exactly. So, Mark, let me begin with a question for you.
Please do.
When you hear the word home, what is the first thing that comes to your mind?
That's a great starter question. For me, the first thing is a sound.
A sound? That's interesting. What sound?
The sound of my family talking in the kitchen when I was a child. The murmur of voices, cups clinking. It was the sound of safety.
That's a beautiful and powerful memory. It's amazing how our senses are connected to home.
They really are. Sarah, what about you? What's your first thought?
For me, it's a smell. The smell of old books and coffee in my grandfather's house. That smell is home to me.
I can almost imagine it. It's wonderful how a simple smell can carry so much feeling.
It truly is. So, would you say home is the same as house for you?
Not at all. A house is a building. Home is the feeling inside it. Or sometimes home isn't a building at all.
I completely agree. You can feel at home in a person's company, or in a favorite cafe, or even in a hobby.
Yes, like when you're with a best friend and you can just be yourself. That's a feeling of home.
Absolutely. Let's explore that. Mark, where do you feel you most belong now?
That's a big question. I feel I belong most when I'm helping others learn. In this community right here, talking to all of you.
That's so heartfelt. This channel, this practice space, is a home for learning.
I think so. What about you, Sarah? Where is your strongest sense of belonging?
I feel it most when I'm creating something, writing, painting. In that focused, quiet space, I belong to myself completely.
That's a powerful form of belonging, being at home within your own mind.
Yes. Now, our sense of home can change over time. Has your idea of home changed?
Definitely. When I was young, home was simply where my parents were. Now I've had to build that feeling for myself and my own family. It's more active now.
Building a feeling. I love that phrase. It's like we are the architects of our own belonging.
Exactly. You're not just given home, sometimes you have to create it. Has your idea changed?
It has. I used to think home was one fixed point on a map. Now I see it as many points on a map, and some points aren't places at all. They're moments or people.
A collection of belonging. That's a comforting thought.
It is. It means we can carry it with us. Let's talk about that feeling of being homesick. Have you ever experienced that?
Yes, but not just for a place. I felt homesick for a time, for my university days, for the feeling of being carefree with old friends.
That's such a good point. We can be homesick for a past version of our lives, for a feeling we've lost.
Yes, it's a longing for a feeling of belonging that exists in memory. What helps you when you feel that way?
I try to recreate a small piece of it. If I'm homesick for my grandmother, I'll cook her recipe. The smell brings her and that feeling of home back.
That's a beautiful ritual. It's like building a bridge between the past and present.
Exactly. Now, for our listeners, this is a wonderful topic for practicing descriptive English. Let's give them a question to think about.
Yes. Everyone, think about this. What is one smell, sound, or object that means home to you?
Try to describe it. Use simple words. For example, the sound of rain on the window makes me feel at home.
Or, the smell of fresh bread is a home smell for me.
Practice using your senses in English. It's a great way to make your speaking more vivid.
And remember, there's no right or wrong answer. Home is personal.
Absolutely. Let's talk about the future, Mark. What does your ideal home look like in 10 years?
In 10 years, my ideal home has a big, warm kitchen where people gather. It's less about the style of the house and more about the life inside it, full of conversation and quiet moments.
A home built for connection. That's lovely.
Thank you. What about your future home, Sarah?
My future home has a room filled with light just for plants and reading, and it's close to nature, so the outside feels like part of the home.
A home that blends with the environment. That sounds peaceful.
It's a dream. Now, for a harder question, can you ever feel at home in a new place where everything is unfamiliar?
I believe you can, but it takes time. You have to plant little seeds of familiarity. Your favorite coffee mug, your usual walk. You build the feelings slowly.
Like being a gardener of your own heart, you plant what you need to grow belonging.
Perfectly said. Learning English is a bit like that too, isn't it?
It is. At first, the language feels unfamiliar, not like home. But as you learn more words, more phrases, it becomes a comfortable space, a place where you can express yourself.
So, you are building a home in the English language. Every word you learn is like adding a piece of furniture to your mind.
What a wonderful thought. So, everyone, be patient with yourselves as you build this new home in English.
Practice makes it more familiar, more comfortable.
And soon, you will belong in this language too. You will have a place here.
Before we finish, let's ask one final simple question.
Okay.
Sarah, if you could only keep one thing from your home, what would it be?
Only one thing? It would be my photo album. Not because of the book itself, but because of all the people and memories inside it. That is my portable home.
That's a beautiful choice. Memories are the light we carry with us.
Now it's your turn, everyone.
Please write in the comments below, what is one thing that makes a place feel like home to you?
And what is one way you can build a feeling of home or belonging in your daily life?
Share your thoughts in English. Your words are welcome here.
Thank you for sharing this heartfelt conversation with us today.
Your presence makes this a home for learning.
If you enjoyed this, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend.
Keep building your English, keep nurturing your sense of belonging, and remember to be kind to yourself.
We are so glad you are here. Until next time.
Goodbye, take care, and carry your home in your heart.